And Derek with Eliminex. We're in Watchung, New Jersey. And I'm here for some raccoons. You can see all the droppings on this side. And it goes around. Luckily, it's in a pocket where I'm able to safely get down without having to use a harness. You can see the hole that was made. See the hole where they're getting in. You couldn't see it from the ground. I was on the deck, and I went over and I looked on the bottom side of that soffit. You didn't see anything. It looked perfect, and I couldn't find any other holes. I suspected the attic fan, and the attic fan's fine inside. Chimney, everything's good. In November, I patched up 2 critical spots, and the problem was solved for like about a month, and then winter came, so I couldn't get back on the roof. It snowed, and then when it rained, it was ice up here. Even up until there was ice everywhere, up until last Wednesday. So now everything's dry. So I'm gonna put I have traps outside. So I'm gonna shape some kind of one-way where it's gonna taper out. It's gonna be attached, and that way it can squeeze out, and hopefully it'll be just leave. Won't be determined to get back in. But this has been going on for years. So when I took the job on, I'm like, no problem. I thought I found the hole, because you can see it from the ground, and I took care of that. And this was a recurring issue, and you couldn't figure it out until I got back on the roof. So I'm so glad it was quite obvious. I'm gonna take care of that right now.